So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are going over the October results for Warfi Trading Bots. I am incredibly late for this video. It's the end of November right now. I actually didn't know that they were going to start doing their trading for the recovery plan so soon. I thought they were going to wait for venture capital, but it turns out that they started last month. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go over the announcements from Shiny Jackal, and we're going to take a look at some of the details of the new recovery plan. So starting things off, this is from Shiny Jackal from the 6th of November. And it says the first distribution of profit will happen tomorrow. Profits accumulated $1,320. Now, I don't know exactly how much was put in for this new recovery phase. They did hit a milestone a while back. Here we go. So it says we have reached already 50,000, which is amazing. But the higher the starting balance, the quicker the compounding effect will benefit all. So I know they have at least $50,000 in the new recovery wallet. So if we take that into account, $1,320, that's like, it's a little over 2%. It's a little over 2% profit, maybe 2.5, 2.6, something like that. So it's over 2% profit for the month of October. Now, there's probably a way that you can look up the wallets and actually get the actual amount of how much was put in versus the profit and all that. But I'm not going to do all that for this video. So next up, fund reinvested for recovery, $660. Fund to be paid out to recovery investors, $660. So the way they're doing it now is they're splitting it at 50-50, and then 50% goes to the people who reinvest it for the recovery phase, and then 50% is going to stay in the wallet, and that's going to be reinvested for trading. And so if you reinvest it in a recovery phase, then you would have gotten a piece of that $660. I did not reinvest into the recovery phase, decided not to do it. And so I did not get any of that. I wonder how many people did invest. It'd be interesting to see how much per person that goes out to. But I am interested in the 660 that was reinvested for recovery. So we will continue to follow that each month to see that grow, hopefully. The market has been very risky to trade on because of the geopolitical risk and the U.S. presidential election, which is over now. However, since we have the capital in our control, we are able to take trades by relocating capital effectively from other bots to the bot which has a trade active, so that the risk is maintained at minimal level while it's making some gains. So I do like this. I like the fact that they are doing some manual control over these trading bots, because if you've actually used a trading bot before, they're not very effective in very versatile markets. They're only really good if the market kind of like stays the same, right? Because it's buying and selling constantly. And so when there's huge dips and huge jumps in the market, the bot ends up losing money. So I do like the way that they are actually manually maintaining the bots, watching over them, making sure that they make good trades. And hopefully that is what's going to make this project different from all the other trading bot projects, which learned the hard way that you can't just let the bot do everything on its own. I have learned that myself. I put up a lot of trading bots and lost hundreds of dollars messing with them. So I know how hard it is to run a trading bot. The profit will be much better and higher as and when things improve. That's good to hear. Regarding venture capital funding, talks are in progress with 2 different VCs right now. However, the investment will come across only as the market improves, ETH price moves up, as the VCs have their investment in ETH and they don't want to cash out at a loss. So that has already happened. The market has skyrocketed since the end of October. So I actually have most of my investment in ETH, and I've seen how much it's gone up. It's gone up quite a bit. So hopefully we will see these VCs put some money in and we'll see some bigger profits. Of course, I will be watching this and letting you know how things turn out. So something that they have been doing is they have been going over some of the trades. They've been posting their profitable trades, so you can actually see what the bot is doing. It's of course not showing you everything. I doubt it's showing you everything, but it is still nice to see some of the trades that they're doing. And this will, of course, give you a good idea of the kind of profits that you can expect going forward. Now, they have already started doing that for this month, for November. You can see they've posted that there. And they've also done information over the 50-50 split and the airdrop. And it looks like Pocket Aces and Shiny Jackal have completely taken over the project. There's nothing from Jason here. So it looks like Jason has stepped down and they are the ones running the show. Now there is a AMA that they did back on the 12th of November. I haven't seen it yet. If I'll take a look at it. If it's something that I think I should post about, I'll create another video. But I will put the link to this in the description of this video. So that way, those of you who didn't get into Discord before they closed it down to new people, you can still you can still see the AMAs and you can still kind of figure out what's going on if you do have some money invested into it. So if you do have some money invested, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this new recovery program. What do you think about things going forward? Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think you're actually going to get paid back? Let me know in the comments below. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.